In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Salesforce Trailhead Playground.org. Whether you want to declutter your org list or remove a test environment, the process is quick and simple. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari or Firefox will work, and go to the Trailhead website. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account credentials. After logging in, click the Trailhead logo in the top right corner to go to your profile. Here, look for the section called Hands-on Orgs or Org Details, where all your playgrounds are listed. Scroll through the list and find the playground you want to remove. Once you've found it, click the Disconnect or Delete button. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Be careful, because deleting a playground is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's it. Your Trailhead Playground.org has been successfully deleted. Keeping your playground list clean helps you stay organized and focus on the environments that matter most. Thanks for watching and happy trailblazing!